Linking your bank account to Google Calendar can help you manage your finances and schedule payments effectively. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Open Google Calendar. Launch the Google Calendar app on your device or visit the Google Calendar website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access Settings. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. From there, select Settings to access your calendar settings. Step 3. Navigate to Integrations. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations section. This is where you can find options to connect various services, including your bank account. Step 4. Choose Bank Account Linking. Select the option to link your bank account. You may need to provide your bank's information and authorize Google Calendar to access your account for transaction details. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering the necessary information, review the permissions and confirm the linking process. Make sure to save your settings to complete integration. Now you can enjoy a more organized approach to managing your finances alongside your schedule.